My name's Madeleine Collins. I'm a science teacher at Green Bay High School in Auckland. My senior subject is chemistry that I teach, and I'm also the assistant head of the science faculty here. Science is enchanting and exciting and full of joy and should provoke curiosity. It's all about the world around us. As a teacher, I bring that wairua, that belief to the classroom. One of the pedagogical strategies that I'm totally hooked on is called the 5 E's instructional model. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluate. So the students work through those stages of the E's. The engage gets our students hooked. They want to know more. Then they get an opportunity to explore something in detail, and only once they've really explored it and been captivated by it, then we try and explain it from a science point of view. And then they can even take that further to elaborate and evaluate their learning and figure out their next steps.
Well, it's hugely exciting having someone like Madeleine as part of our school. Last year, some students went down to Dunedin to do some research around lichen, and I guess it's creating those opportunities where life and learning happens for our students in a really exciting context. It's an amazing thing that she brings.
When we actually step away from the classroom and that rigid content day after day, that's when the real learning happens. And it probably took me the best part of 2 decades to feel comfortable to do that. It'd be great if we could all be brave as science teachers and step outside that content rigour and really explore that world around us.